Good evening, students. Hope all of you are fine at home and you are doing your study very well. So, as we have started our revision, today we will start the revision of chapter number 6, Lines and Angles. Before doing the theorems and the questions, let us discuss some basic terms. So, already you have done in the junior classes that what are the line segment, what is a ray, and what is a line. So, line is that which have no fixed endpoints. Line segment is that whose both ends are fixed, and ray is that whose only one end is fixed and one is not fixed. Okay, this is their representation. After that, collinear and non-collinear points. The points which lie on the same line are known as collinear points, and the points which are not on the same line are non-collinear. It means that point may be anywhere as like this. Okay, this is maybe point A, point B, and point C. So when these points are not in any line, they make an angle, or when we join all the three sides, it may be a triangle. So this is the angle with arms AB and AC. After that, we will discuss the types of angles that we are having 5 types of angles. One is the acute, then right, obtuse, straight, and reflex. Angle which lies between 0 and 90 degree means greater than 0 and less than 90 is known as acute angle. Angle which is equal to 90 is known as right angle. An angle which is greater than 90 but less than 180 is obtuse angle. Equal to 180 is known as straight line. More than 180 but less than 360 is known as reflex angle. These 5 types of angles we are doing. After that, complementary and supplementary. Two angles whose sum is 90 degree are known as complementary angles, and the angles whose sum is 180 are known as supplementary angles. Now after that, we will do adjacent angles. Adjacent angles are those in which one vertex and one arm is common. As here we are having angle A, B, D and DBC. In these two angles, point B, vertex B is common in both, and the arm BD is also common in both. So when two angles having one vertex and one arm in common, they known as adjacent angles. After that, linear pair. Linear pair is when we are having two adjacent angles on a straight line. Here angle A, B, C and angle ABD are adjacent angles on the same line DC, and these angles are known as linear pair. Sum of these angles is 180 degree. Okay. After that, the third term is vertical opposite angle. When two lines intersect at a single point, then you can say here 4 angles are there. Okay, which angles are opposite to each other are known as vertical opposite angles. These angles are equal. Here angle AOC is equal to angle BOD and angle AOD is equal to angle BOC. These angles are known as vertical. So these are vertically opposite angles. Now after that, we are having first theorem. Prove that when two lines intersect at a point, then vertical opposite angles are equal. We have to prove here these angles are equal. Now let us see how to do its proof. For this, we will take two lines AB and CD intersecting at O, and we take 4 angles. This is as 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay. Firstly, we write given. What is given to us? Given two lines AB and CD intersecting at O. Okay. Now to prove, what we want to prove? In given, we will write two lines AB and CD intersecting at O. And to prove what we want to prove, we want to prove that angle 1 is equal to angle 3 and angle 2 is equal to angle 4. As in the diagram, 1 is opposite to 3 and 2 is opposite to 4. Okay. Now see its proof. How we will prove? Angle 1 plus 2 is equal to 180 because angle 1 and 2 lying on a single line. So by linear pair, 1 plus 2 is equal to 180. Similarly, we can write 2 plus 3 is also equal to 180. Now from these two equations, both are equal to 180, so we can equate angle 1 plus 2 is equal to angle 2 plus 3. 2 cancel on both sides, angle 1 is equal to angle 3. Similarly, we can prove angle 2 is equal to angle 4. So this is how can we prove that vertical opposite angles are equal. So today you will revise this theorem and you will read the basic terms. After that, we will discuss the further questions in next video session. So regarding this theorem, if any problem is there, then you can discuss with me in tomorrow's Zoom session. Thank you students and have a nice day.